Kal Ho Na Ho, Versi, Andre Khan. Play.
बदल रही रूप जिंदगी चाहे कभी कभी रूप जिंदगी हर पल जीवन जियो जो है सामा कल हो न हो
Catch 'em all.
Right, first time. Apa kabar? Today again we are trying something very different because the old things don't work anymore. Yeah, in a way. I mean, I don't know, whatever that is, but I'm here to try new things, and today we'll be reacting to Andre. I don't know how you pronounce it. Andre Khan, and we'll be seeing him play Kal Ho Na Ho. Yes, on a piano. If I'm seeing the thumbnail, I think he's physically challenged. I'm not very sure, but regardless, I am here to react to him. And yep, let's go for it. Before that, I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All the links will be in the description box. And now, let's get it. Okay. It's my first time reacting to him, so I have absolutely no idea. Plus, the Berry who asked me to react to Andre Khan did not tell me which video you want me to react. So I just picked any video that I wanted. If you want me to react to specific videos, then you have to give me the link so I understand it, or give me the full name of the video. And also did not give me any information about him. I don't think so on Wikipedia will have any information about him because he's still, I guess, at 145k subscribers. So let's hope I can get more information about you guys in the comment section. And for now, let's get it. Kal Ho Na Ho, Versi, Andre Khan. Play. Yes, he is physically challenged. Regardless, I'm not going to judge him like that because I've heard that they want to be treated as normal people, and they are normal people, so why give such things an attention? But it's my first time reacting to him for the first time, as I said, so I just noticed it. Let me know, correct me if I'm wrong or if I'm not wrong in the comment section respectfully, please. But utmost amount of respect for playing this song so beautifully. Right when it started, I thought like there were a lot of instruments going on and not just one, which is not true. I know he's just playing this one instrument, but it looks like a lot of instruments are playing. It sounded so beautiful in a way. Wow. Really, I love it. Also, it's improvised. It's not exactly the same. and I love it when artists cover the song and they improvise it rather than sticking and duplicating the same thing. Even that is very difficult, but still. Great job. And now I'm not gonna pause, I'm just gonna enjoy it. Let's go.
ओ चाहे जो तुम्हें बुरी दिल से मिलते वो मुश्किल से ऐसे जो कोई कहीं है बस वो सब से हंसी है हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो ही समा कहो न हो उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो.
That was sudden. We don't skip ads. Okay, it's over. Wait. Okay.
बदल रही रूप जिंदगी चाहे कभी कभी डूब जिंदगी हर पल जी भर जियो जो है सामा कल हो न हो हर गली बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी चाहे कभी कभी रूप जिंदगी हर पल जी भर जियो जो ही समा कल हो न हो. हो जाए जो तुम्हें बुरी दिल से मिलते वो मुश्किल से ऐसे जो कोई कहीं है बस वो सब से हंसी है हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो ही समा कहो न हो उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो वो मेहरबान करो हो के लेके साए.
That again. Okay, let me know at least. Let me know at least.
हो के लेके साए पास कोई जो पाए lagu semalu pakil giliku dilidal ki jaye har palya ji bar jiyo chuhi sama kal ho na ho har pal jibar jiyo जो ये समा कल हो न हो terima kasih.
I swear, oh my god, his ad-libs are on top level. I thought, I did see the mic, but I thought the mic was for the piano. What I was saying is, I do think it would be much better that if he only had the violin. I am going to react to Ago violin today, so that's also ringing in my head right now. But he only had the piano and only his voice. I think it would sound so amazing. But I also noticed that the instrumental used is made by them. It is not the original instrumental. So again, they have put twice as much work in this, and he does have very little views, and that's not okay. I mean, how does he practice the piano? How does he learn a different language? I don't know. Seriously, even people who are completely fit may not be able to pull that off, and he just did it with ease. You know, every time you think like, oh, why is this thing happening to you, then you realize a lot more people who are, of course, it's not a thing like, you know, not saying to someone people have it worse than you is not a good thing. It's not good mental advice, but still just an inspiration to keep working, because if they cannot look back and keep working for their goals, so can you. You can take it in a good way, positive way, as an inspiration, and he is an inspiration. I think really people need to see him. I really hope he goes big. I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, hope he goes big. He is doing an amazing job. I loved whatever was happening. His voice, oh my god, the classical notes, woo, one of the best I've heard. Top 3, I'll say. I loved it. Thank you so much for letting me know about him. I don't give a damn about the views for this one. I mean, of course, I don't for most of the things. I do what I like, but he deserves it. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, berries. Love you. Aku cinta kamu.
Gotta catch 'em all.